the tutorial on how to create drop-down lists by using data validations on Microsoft Excel. So here we will learn about on these occasions how to create drop-down lists by using data validation served by Microsoft Excel. This can be used to give choices when people need to fill the some informations on your data. For example, you have data about name of students. There are 10 students name and then domicile. So for example, the domicile data is blank, so people need to fill the domicile cells by using data validation, so you can determine which domiciles that can only be filled by other people. Okay, so to make this data validation, firstly, so it should be blank, so we need to delete here, so we will make it more tidy, or to make it older and make it some choices for people filling our data. Okay, first we need to delete here, and then we create the domicile cells or domicile columns on separated cells, separated sheets. Sorry, we need to make a separation sheets on the sheet 2, and then we need to type Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, Yogyakarta, and Bali. Why we need to separate the cells? Because we need to avoid our data to be hit with another data or combined together with in one sheet. So we need to make it separated. Okay, after we delete it, and then we make some domicile columns on the separated sheet, and then block the cells that we want to fill to make a data validation, and then click tab data on Microsoft Excel menu, and then you can see data validation, the icon with green mark and stop red mark. Okay, after you click the data validation, you will find the dialog data validation like here. From the settings, allow, you need to make a list, because we will use or will create we will create a drop down list here, so people should only fill the data from the list that we create from the separated sheet, and then ignore blank, install drop down and search. We need to go to the sheet to add where the separated data as a table reference, and click OK. After you, do not forget to lock the table array by click or pressing F4 and then click OK. Okay, you can see here the B2 cells. If you click here, and then you need to fill the domicile that we've searched before from the sheet 2, so people can only fill Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, Jakarta, and Bali, the list that we serve by using data validation. So how about when people type another city, for example Aceh, there is no in the list, so the Microsoft Excel will show about this. Okay, this value doesn't match data validation restrictions defined for this cell, so it means that people cannot fill by using another city that doesn't found on the drop-down list that we made before with data validation. Okay, it makes clear, so it is be used, it can be used, so the data that we feel will be more tidy, and people can feel easier with a list that we created before. Okay, that's a tutorial on how to create the drop-down list by using data validation from Microsoft Excel. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon on the next video, and bye bye.